It is Sunday. I can't believe it's finally Sunday. It is mild outside today. Sam's out there shoveling. I guess it snowed in the night. We are headed for some fun today. We are always working and shopping and doing stuff on the weekend, but today we're
skating and tobogganing.
Tobogganing. I call it
and
sledding.
Skating.
Yeah, I don't know about the skating because
Well, Dad said we could do both.
Wow, that's awesome. So today is going to be an outside play day. We are going, I'm definitely going to go sledding. That is going to be fun. Look at Gabby's nice necklace.
First time I'm wearing it.
Sophie, don't please. She said that she has Jesus on her necklace, and I love that. I want a cross. Every time Sam buys me a really nice cross necklace, I lose it. So I do better with like big, bulkier kind of stuff than I do with little things. Say hi. So yesterday we finished our craft that we've been doing. That we did yesterday, our crafting with kids episode, and this is what we made. I just thought I'd show you. See our chalkboard that we made? It's polka dot. We made it for in our playroom. I will link that video in the comments. Hello, birdie. Look at the mess you've made of your cage already. Look at the mess you've made. Hey, look at the mess you made. We bought these little things yesterday, these little snack things. I don't know if you can see it there. For our bird. I always forget our bird's name. His name is Piper. We bought those things for Piper yesterday, and he loves them, but they are super, super messy. I feel like now that Piper is here and he's finally settling in, he's so happy. He's so much happier than when we first got him. I guess he was shooken up a bit because it was a new place. But now he just seems so happy and so lively, and he's standing more. He stands on the one foot that he still can't perch with it, but it's kind of not as mangled as the other foot. So I'm really happy with that. He's really fun. And then over here, you guys are having a rest? You need a blanket? We should put a blanket on the couch.
Oh, I thought you meant us.
Oh, girlies, you guys?
Yeah, girl, us.
Gabby's learning to play the guitar.
Look, just a stuffy.
Yeah. Oh, such cute puppies. They can't come sledding with us, but maybe Abby can.
Yeah, I need practice.
That was really good though.
Like that.
Yeah, don't do it too much, I think.
Toy base. Lucius, I'm still afraid of this. Yeah, I keep messing up on camera.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
I'm used to doing it only alone because I learned to do it alone.
Oh, you have stage fright? Is that what that's called when you...
No, I can't do it. Just can't do it. Yeah, you know. Mom,
is that...
You have to put it on your tip.
That's all. Actually, that is really good, Gabby. Way better than I can do.
Bottom, like...
Oh my gosh, guys, you should have seen it. Piper the bird is fluffing up the dog's feathers. Do you see him?
You mean fur?
He's grooming himself.
And he's grooming.
And he's grooming our dog. And our dog is actually letting him do it. I see a fast, loving relationship forming.
Yeah. Macy is afraid of a cup.
Yeah.
I put it towards her. She goes.
Yeah, our 3-pound dog is afraid of everything.
Yeah. Even the bird.
Especially the bird. But look at this dog. She's such a mama dog, though. She
Not
loves...
Cookie Dough.
Cookie Dough loves babies. Stop. Daddy's home.
Look at Piper's climbing right up Cookie.
Yeah. The bird is climbing right up on top of Cookie Dough and cuddling into her.
And guys, look what picture I took. Cool.
Kathleen.
What's going on with this bird?
I know, isn't it crazy? He loves our Chihuahua.
Cookie. What? You got a bird on you?
You have a bird on your back.
You know that?
The bird keeps grooming Cookie Dough too. She keeps fluffing up Cookie's feathers, but she doesn't understand it. See, look. She climbs right up on top of her.
You got a bird on your back, Cookie. You got a bird on your back.
More like her butt.
No, he's climbing. Piper is climbing right up her back.
Well, from her butt.
Cuddling with a bird. That's funny, eh?
Take a picture of it.
Just getting ready to go tobogganing. Do you need a new hat? Need another hat?
No.
Alright. I got my gloves, I got my hat. Alright. Just getting ready to go tobogganing. How we doing? Good?
Yeah.
Ready to go tobogganing? Are ya?
Gabby's not ready.
Yeah, Gabby's ready. She's coming right out right now. Come on, Gabby. We got all the tobogganings. We got 2 GT racers. We got some crazy boards and we got toboggan. Pardon? What?
Could you take my name?
Yep. Yep. We got 2 GT racers, a toboggan, and some crazy carpets.
Okay, here we go. We are in the car. Fix this camera here. We are in the car and we are on our way to sledding. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite activity. Sam and I are really similar in a lot of the things that we like, but the biggest way we differ is that, well, we both like different things to eat, but also he is an outdoor guy in the winter and I'm an outdoor girl in the summer. I love summer and everything that it has to offer, and Sam hates it. I hate winter and everything it has to offer, and Sam loves it. Okay, we're here. With all the snow that we have at our house, there's no snow on the hill. I don't know how that happened. That is so weird to me. But we're still going to check it out and see if we can sled.
Checking out if there's enough snow. Sophia. Come on. You think there's enough snow? Quickly, let's go. Well, we're looking. See if there's enough. Well, it's kind of dirty. You can go to the smaller one, which has snow. Go to the smaller one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to go to the smaller one because there's not enough snow. It's all dirt.
Yeah.
Right.
Sophia, you didn't bring anything up.
Sophia. There they go, climbing up the hill. I'm not a fan of sledding. It freaks me out flying down a hill like that. Poor Dad. He's carrying all the sleds up the hill. All right, they're getting ready. Here they come. Oh, I watched the little guy. Oh, backwards. Oh no! Woo! Where's Sophia?
Sophia's going on a GT race.
Oh my gosh.
What? I can't.
That is not my idea of safe. Here comes Sophie. She's going down the hill too. I'm terrified for her because she is on a big GT snow racer. in the sledding and gone skating now. It's like +1 degree, or it's just a little under freezing. It's so warm outside today, I can't even believe it. We never have weather like this in January. So I guess Sam's got the girls on the ice and he's coming to put his skates on, so I am going to go out there with them. So we're home, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm frozen. I'm gonna go upstairs and get something warm to put on over top of my clothes because I am still frozen from being outside in the snow. We are going to make something hot to drink. I have no idea what that's gonna be yet. I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna rent it, or we're not gonna rent a movie. We are gonna watch a movie and relax because it's Sunday. I don't want to watch Ninja Turtles again.
Yeah.
It is Sunday, and we have hardly even had a chance to sit around and do nothing this weekend. So that's what we want to do. We're gonna rent a movie and have some snacks and get warm. Already, girls are you cold, Sophie? Yeah. Already the little bird's out. Piper. We're in love with him.
I want you to vlog it, but it's like not put it on the vlog where you talk. Well, I want it to be my own vlog. I'm learning how to sew, like me learning.
Yeah, Gabby wants to learn how to sew. It's true. I told her that I would teach her.
I have this little kit.
She does.
And my scissors. Got pins.
Yeah, this is her little sewing kit. She's got a little elephant here, a little elephant pillow.
And I got materials.
Are your hands warm enough to be holding him? Yeah, you're warm. Oh, careful with him. Don't squeeze him.
Cushion. My most favorite.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's go pick him up. Kyle,
I got you a birthday present.
let him open it himself.
Wait, can I see?
It's a blender.
Nice bullet.
No, it's better than
It's better than
Better than a bullet?
that. I have a bullet, and that one's sucks.
Use this.
Did you see what Nick got at the gym today?
Emily.
Oh, did you want to see what I got at the gym? Turn the camera
Wait,
off.
give
Turn
him
the camera
it.
off.
Okay, wait, look at me. Show me the elephant on your butt.
What?
He has an elephant on his butt.
Turn it off.
Horoscope today said that I'm going to have a huge outburst of energy, so I'm hoping that that happens and that I get super energetic. What? You're gonna win the lottery?
My horoscope told me that I have to sleep all day.
Did it? Did it?
I need to sleep all day because I'll have no energy all day.
Is that what it really
Stay
said?
up late all night.
Did it really say that?
Play video games.
Yeah, I'm thinking that Sam did stay up really late last night because he woke up kind of grouchy and
I
that,
woke up to drive Nick to work this morning.
yeah.
I had to wake him up because he forgot to
Yeah.
wake himself up.
I heard that. Thank goodness. Thank goodness your 18-year-old son has parents who wake up and remind them to wake up for work. But usually he's almost always up. This doesn't happen very often.